What's going on YouTube? My name is E with Easy Fish Keeping. Today we're going to be talking about how to build a good budget tank. I know, like me, when I first joined the hobby, I only had, maybe $100, $150 to try to build a whole entire tank together. So today I'm going to be bringing it all along with me. I actually did buy a tank from my local fish shop, and I kind of bargained with him. We went up there for another video that will be coming out, but it was dirty. It was really nasty. The gravel, I guess somebody just brought it in like 2 hours before, and she said that she didn't want it no more, and she kind of just let the tank, you know, uh, get really dirty. And so I bargained with him. I said, "What's your best offer?" And I only got it for $50. But I'm trying to help out a friend that's trying to get into the hobby, and I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace, and they have a lot of good deals. With it comes with rock, gravel, a light filter. It comes with everything, and it's under $100. So, like I said, it was pretty dirty. So I had to grab the gravel, scoop it all out. I actually filled it up just to see if it had any cracks or leaks in it, and with the gravel and everything. And there was a lot of, I believe they're called planaria worms, and they're like these tiny little, not microscopic, but they're tiny little worms, and they feed on like dead plants, dead fish. And I filled it up, and there was a lot of them in there. So what you want to do whenever you first get a fish tank and it has that old gravel or whatever, you want to boil some hot water and dump it in there. I dumped it in there probably about 2 or 3 times, and then dumped it out, and then dumped more in. And I poured some vinegar inside of it, and I mixed it around. It killed all of the planaria worms. Without further ado, we're gonna build this tank real quick. I'm gonna pour the gravel, set up where it needs to go, and then after that, we're gonna go on the Facebook Marketplace, and we're gonna try to hunt for some tanks for y'all to go look at. All right, guys, this is the fish tank that I got. It's all nice and clean. Like I said, I scrubbed it with a razor blade and vinegar. It's gonna be going in here in my office, um, right here next to my PC. Do I know if that's a good idea? Probably not, but I'll be careful. This light right here is what came with it, so it already came with a light on top as the lid. You just gotta press this button on top, and then it came with this little plastic lid cover. It fits just on top like that. Let me go get the gravel and the filter, and we'll start putting stuff in it. All right, here you go, guys. I got the gravel right here. It's in this bucket. Like y'all saw, I dumped boiling water and a little bit of vinegar in it, let it soak, drained it, and then repeated the process one more time. Drained it. Then I've left it outside for a couple days now. Here, I'll show y'all what it looks like. This is kind of what it looks like. Don't know if y'all can see it very well, but it's black, teal, blue, and it has these little ceramic balls. I don't know necessarily if that's gravel or what that's for, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pour this in there real quick. Let me take the lid off first. Actually, let's do this a little safer way. Let me see. Put some paper towel down so we don't crack the glass at the bottom. Let's take the paper towel out. Okay. And we're gonna spread it around a little bit, make sure it's even. This is actually a very thick. It's a lot. That's probably like 2 inches. Yeah, it's probably about 2 inches of substrate. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna get some water in this tank. Luckily I have a like a Python. It's not a Python, but it's like the Python system where you just attach it to a sink or like the bathroom. And we're just gonna run some water in here. So I'll be right back. Okay, I got this all set up. I just need to turn on the water. I did want to tell y'all this thing is a good investment. I don't know if y'all have seen my other video of how to do a water change. I'll leave a link, I think up here or up here. So y'all can go watch that. That is like primitive. This is so much better. Also, if y'all haven't yet, please leave a like and subscribe. And let me know what video I should do next. I do have one coming out that y'all might like. But yeah, let me go turn this water on and get this thing filled up. Okay, y'all. So since the water is filled up, let's go ahead and put the lid back on. And then we're going to put the filter that came with it, that I bought it with. I'm not sure what. There we go. I'm not sure what filter it actually is. It says Aquarium. Oh, so it's an Aquarium. It was very dirty. The cartridge. I'm gonna go buy a cartridge. Don't worry. But I had to maneuver one of my other cartridges in there, and it'll do good for now. Don't worry. I'll go to the store this weekend. Yeah, we're gonna put this on the back and then hook it up. It actually fits perfectly right here. I'll show y'all in a second. So it actually fits perfectly right there in that hole. Also, it's a great filter, by the way. If y'all are looking for a overhang filter, definitely get this one. It has a sponge and it has like other where you can put different kind of media in it. It looks really nice. But yeah, let's plug this thing up and see if it works. Okay, guys, we got it working. It actually started working as soon as I plugged it in. I am gonna have to go get a new filter for it. I might have filled it up a little bit too much, but y'all can see that there is flow. And then this is what it looks like. Don't mind the cables in the back. I'm thinking about putting a black screen behind this. I've never done that in any of my tanks, but I'm thinking about doing it on this one. But yeah, y'all let me know what should I get for this tank. Should I continue, to get some budget fish, some budget plants, just keep going with it? Or should I get something like, I don't know if y'all watched the last video, but thinking about getting some puffers. And I did see some pea puffers that would go great in this tank. But yeah, let's go look on Facebook Market to see if we can find y'all some tanks. Okay, guys, we're here on Facebook Marketplace. I'll show y'all the screen here in a second. All y'all have to do is search up fish tanks, aquariums, used, whatever y'all want to search up. I am in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so if y'all are local, y'all might want to check some of these, and y'all can hit them up yourself. This is some of the tanks that I'm looking at. This one right here is $40. It is a 20-gallon fish tank, includes heater and filter. I'm guessing you would need to try to find a lid, but there is DIY stuff that you can look up on YouTube to try to make for a lid if y'all are trying to be still on a budget. Or y'all could just have it open top. There's a lot of those. Here's another good type of tank right here. It's if y'all are willing to spend a little bit more, here's $100. It's a 55-gallon fish tank. It comes with this filter and this filter, so it has two filters. This is pretty good if you are trying to have a bigger size tank, or you're willing to spend a little bit more on the whole setup. Here's another one right here. It's $50. It comes with all this decor, comes with a filter. It is dirty, so you can probably negotiate. It is $50 and it is a 10-gallon, so you could probably negotiate, I would say 30, 40. It comes with all this supplies right here, and this is for water changing. So this was save you a lot of money because it comes with all of this stuff, and all you would really need is to buy fish. Okay, guys, we'll look for one more. We're looking for this $50. Here's a good one right here. $50. You get this gravel. You get some decor. You get the. I'm guessing you might get a lid. I don't know. It is 20 gallons, so it's more than 10, and it's for $50, and you also get a filter. So this one is pretty good. But like I was saying, there is a lot of great deals that you can get. Looking on Facebook Market, there's also OfferUp, eBay even. Y'all could go on here, and if y'all are trying to stay under $100, this is a great option. All right, guys, that does it for today's video. If y'all did like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and then leave a comment. Like I said before, let me know what y'all want to see in this tank. I might continue with budget fish, keeping it under $50, keeping it under however much. Or let me know if y'all want me to do puffers or whatever fish y'all do suggest. I was also thinking about maybe a breeding tank. This might be a nice little breeding tank. I was thinking about breeding some golden rams. But we will see. But yeah, like I said, if y'all did enjoy the video, please like, favorite, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.